Yeah, good evening, and today I'm going to present my project. My name is Porras Omar, course conversation class. Table of contents, introduction, plagiarism, collaborative work, conclusion. Introduction, this academic work focuses on two fundamental elements for personal and collective development, integrity and collaboration, plagiarism, understood as the misappropriations of the work or ideas of others without acknowledgement, that represents a serious ethical breach that undermines the principles of honesty and responsibility. On the other hand, teamwork fosters cooperation, communication, and mutual respect, essential qualities for effectively achieving common goals. Plagiarism is the use of another person's ideas, texts, words, or projects without their permission, presenting them as if they were your own. It is considered an ethical violation and, in many cases, a crime. Example, this is plagiarism. Cesar Vallejo University acknowledged the existence of premeditated plagiarism in the thesis written by two students from the university. The university thus acknowledged that the students outright plagiarism of an article published by American scientist Gavin Jones. So its ethics committee it identified the work of the students applying for the degree in environmental engineering was translated from English. The thesis authors were Rosalinda Tambriano and Julia Walter Vaca Podesta from the Faculty of Engineering and Architecture. As you may recall, of September 3, a case of outright plagiarism at this university came to light, revealing that the thesis involved a copy and paste prior the translation of the aforementioned scientist article into Spanish. Consequence of plagiarism, academic, suspension or expulsion, thesis cancellation, legal fines or lawsuits in some cases, professional damage to reputation and credibility, loss of employment or employment sanctions, ethical lack of trust on the part of college and faculty, compromise of personal and professional integrity, collaborative work. Collaborative work is a process in which several people actively and jointly contribute to the completion of a task or project, sharing knowledge, skills, or responsibility to achieve a common goal, with the emphasis on equal participation and mutual learning. Example, water supply system. A group of engineering students work together to design a water supply system for a rural community. Each of the members is responsible for a specific part, hydraulic calculation, design plans, cost analysis, report presentation, but everyone shares ideas, reviews each other's work, and makes decisions together to achieve a complete and coherent final project. Advantage and disadvantage. Advantage, more ideas and creativity, greater motivation and learning distribution of tasks. And disadvantage, free rider, someone who doesn't contribute, conflicts and poor communication, difficult to evaluate individual work. Importance of collaborative work. Collaborative work is important because it allows for more efficient problem solving by combining the strengths of each group member. It fosters the exchange of ideas, improves communication, encourages shared responsibility, and promotes collaborative learning. It also prepares people for teamwork in professional environments, where cooperation and coordination are key to success. Conclusion, plagiarism and collaborative work represent two opposing approaches within the academic and professional spheres. While plagiarism reflects a lack of ethics, appropriating the work of others without acknowledgement, collaborative work promotes values such as honesty, cooperation, and respect for everyone's contribution. Promoting collaborative work helps prevent plagiarism by encouraging active participation, collaborate learning, and shared responsibility. Therefore, it is essential to cultivate a culture of integrity and collaboration to develop competitive and ethical professionals. That's all. Thanks.